Futian Roller was founded in 2006 and we focus on the manufacturing of precision rollers, including steel rollers, rubber rollers, stainless steel rollers, aluminum rollers and conveyor rollers. Futian Roller is an ISO 9001-2015 certified company with license of import and export. Number 80% of our rollers are exported to North America, Europe and Israel, etc. Futian Roller has 8,000 workshop. As a professional roller manufacturer, Futian Roller is aware of the importance of quality, which runs through the whole process from production to delivery. We have regular maintenance schedule for all measuring tools and equipments. Also, we could provide inspection report for each CTQ dimension and critical parts before delivery. At Futian Roller, we understand the know-how of roller manufacturing, and also have full experience of material localization. We produce the precision rollers according to customers' drawing and requirements. The roller surface finishing can have chrome plating, nickel plating, zinc plating, painting, tungsten carbide coating, Teflon coating, or rubber coating, etc. We regard packaging as a crucial link. Appropriate packaging is important to ensure the good condition and successful delivery of the rollers. As the key part of material handling systems, the rollers we made are widely used in digital printer, converting, textiles, logistics, packaging, new energy, conveyor systems, plastic film, paper making, glass conveyors, chemicals, mining and other industries. Furthermore, we are not only an industrial roller factory, but also have close cooperation with many local qualified factories. Integration of supply chain brings us powerful capacity in the supply of extended services, welding service, assembly service, custom machine parts and sheet metal fabrication. With the vision of providing the best solution, Futian Roller looks forward to building a great relationship of partnership and cooperation with you.